Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into the RECEIPT HOG app review. So to get started with a quick overview, RECEIPT HOG is a free mobile app that rewards users for uploading photos of their shopping receipt. By scanning receipts from various retailers, use earn coin that can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift card. The app also offers additional earning opportunities through survey and a slot machine game called Hog Slot, available on both iOS and Android. RECEIPT HOG aims to make the purpose of earning reward from everyday purchase simple and engaging. Talking about the strength of this platform, the app boasts a clean and intuitive design, make it easy for users to navigate and upload receipts. Also, it has a beyond the scanning receipt. Users can earn coin through survey and the hog slot game, adding a varieties to the reward process. And talking about the downside of this platform, the coin to each cash conversion rate is relatively low, with users needing to accumulate up to 1,000 coin to reward or redeem $5. This means it takes a considerable amount of time and receipt to each meaningful payout. And here's the bottom line. Hotdog offer a straightforward and a user-friendly way to earn small reward from everyday shopping receipts, while the app provides multiple avenues to earn and gamified experience with the low earning potential and processing delay may deter users seeking more immediate or substantial review.